Hi guys, Nikko is here. Good news, I have another project. And this is this one. This is Kawasaki Concours 2010. As you can see, it's a little damaged to the front part, but I'm going to rebuild it because in general this is a very interesting and very good motorcycle. Very fast, very reliable. Actually, I already started it, didn't ride it of course, but it starts. Has some damage here, but the rear part is good. So basically I'm going to repair plastic parts. I don't know if they are very bad, I'm going to replace it. I need to replace the front part, the light obviously. I need to repair the fender. We'll see. I'm going now to remove the plastic and see what kind of damage it has and what's condition. The worst case scenario, I will just buy the whole set of Chinese plastic for this bike and replace it like I did with Honda CBR 600. But I would try to save at least some parts and replace only the front part, but we'll see. So first I'm going to remove the plastic and assess the damage. Well, enough talking, let's do it.